Welcome. Today, we're exploring how natural language can be transformed into powerful SQL queries. Have you ever wished you could ask your database questions in plain English? Let's dive in. Let's see how we can take plain language and turn it into an actual SQL query. It starts with a user asking a question in a simple, natural way. Imagine a user asks for specific customer data. Our system first needs to understand what the user is asking for. We use NLTK to extract key elements. Key terms will be highlighted for emphasis. Next, we map these keywords to the appropriate SQL structures. We figure out the data is from customers table. We determine the data filter is the location of New York. This step is crucial for forming the correct SQL query. Now let's bring it all together into a functional SQL query. Here's the complete SQL query that answers the user's question. Notice the SQL is displayed in a code-style font for clarity. This process automates complex queries into simple English. Make your database interactions more accessible and efficient today.